Hi guys, in this session we will look at the R basic programming. So, guys, this is the R Studio and it consists of 4 blocks. In this first block, we need to write the R programming. So whatever the program you need to write, you can write here. Okay. So this console and this quadrant is used to write our programming, and this console is, this quadrant is used to look at the data loaded, and if you want to look at the history, what all the codes you have written in the past, you can look at the history here. So you'll find all the codes which you have written in the past. Okay, and in the environment you can look at the what are the data sets and what are the intermediate data set created in the R. Okay, so in this console you can look at how the code is executing, and if any error comes in the code, you can able to look here in the console. Okay, and fourth and the last quadrant will tell you about the different things. One is what are the files present in your system, the historical files, and what are the different plots you have plotted till now, and what are the different packages you have loaded in R. And this is a help if you need anything, like example, if you want to search any package which is available in R, you just need to write a particular thing. Like example, if you want to if you want to do some merge operation, you just need to type here, or you can also type here to look for a. So now you will get is merge operation here. Okay, what are different syntax of merge. So this way it is helpful for us to look at the different functions. So viewer will help us to view a plots. Okay, so guys, now let us start our programming. So I have created a few basic functions to understand how the R programming flows, and so let me open my R file which I have created for you. So let me open. So here I have my R code. So let me open any one of the file which I have saved. So guys, the few simple lines of code which I have written in R here to make you understand how to load the data in R, and how to process the data, and how to load the different packages in the R. Okay, so guys, you can if you want to write a new R code, then you just need to click on the file and write R script. Then you can able to write all the programming here. Okay, so once you write the program R programming here, then what you need to do is you just need to select that and then click on the run. So R programming will start running it. Okay, so don't worry, I will show you how to run the R scripts in the console. Okay, so let us execute one by one script to understand the R programming better. So guys, hope to see you in the next session. So till then, happy learning.